What's going on, guys? It's Mark from M3 Finished Mobile Detailing. Today I'm going to do a product review on Koch Chemie's glass cleaner. I'm going to tell you the price point, how I use it, my overall opinion about this glass cleaner right here. Now let's get to the video. So we have Koch Chemie's glass cleaner right here. It's around $14.99 per bottle. So ideally it's around $1 an ounce. But if you do buy a gallon, it cuts it down to 47 cents per ounce. So the gallon's around $79.99. So it's around $85. Would you guys drop $85 on a glass cleaner? Drop it down below. Or do you guys have a better alternative? For me, in my detailing business, we use glass cleaner to be more efficient, but we're going to be talking about this product right here. So overall, when I look at it, the bottle looks amazing, the aesthetics are crazy. One thing I like about this glass cleaner is the sprayer. So it misses perfectly. Other Talco or any other sprayers out there, they're going to like spit and miss. I'm not a big fan about that, but this one right here, I wish they made a longer version so you could put it in all your other bottles, like your 32 ounces. This one is just overall good. So we're going to show you guys how I use it. So I'm just going to do 2 sprays, 1, 2, and see how perfect it just missed it. Not spitting or anything like that. It's just a nice perfect mist or spray. So I'm going to box this out right here and then come through in the middle, flip my towel over, and that's it. So it leaves a perfect finish. A lot of detailing companies out there, they say they have streak-free products. This one, I would recommend Shine Supply Sunshine and rubbing alcohol. Plus about this glass cleaner, overall the glass cleaner, it's slick. So when I spray it on the surface, my towel is just gliding effortlessly. With rubbing alcohol or other alcohol-based products out there, it's going to be causing friction. So say if I had alcohol on this right here and this microfiber towel is really grippy, it's going to just induce all lint behind. So leave a lot of lint behind, and it's just going to be a pain in the butt trying to get that lint off the window. So with this one right here, I don't know what they put in it, but it's super slick. So I noticed like on the windshields, a lot of people have trouble on the windshields using this product right here. I spray it half on the window, and then I spray 2 mists, and then just go to town, work it in, and it's just gliding. Like if I use the rubbing alcohol, I have to spray a lot on the windshield, and then I have to hurry up and work fast because the alcohol evaporates quicker. So this product right now is just amazing. The smell is what I like about the product. I would say it smells like bubble gum, like a bubblegum fruity scent. But drop it down in comments below what you think the scent smells like. I just personally say it smells like bubblegum, like a tutti fruity scent. But yeah, overall, this product is just amazing. I'm gonna show you guys how I do a windshield and show you how I clean it. And I do have a video on how to clean glass. So I'll leave it down in the comments below if you guys are interested. But this is my 2 towel methods for any beginner out there. So notice a lot of people first starting off cleaning the windows, they spray the windows a lot, and then they come through and try to buff it out, and then they use the same towel, the same side to buff it out, and it leaves a thing called snail trail. So the snail trail is just saying, hey, you're using too much product on the surface, kind of bump it down. So what I like to do for beginners, how I show them how to clean glass, you use 2 towels. So one towel will be your application towel, and your other towel will be your finishing towel. So this is just for demonstration purposes. We have this window down, and we're going to clean it. We're going to use 2 mists. And we're gonna come through with the application towel, buff it out, and then now we hit with our finishing towel. So this is gonna cut down on your snail or your smear marks or your streaks. It's gonna cut down a lot because you're using a brand new fresh towel on the surface that doesn't have any moisture on it. That's another tip for you guys if you guys are struggling with windows. And overall, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean the windshield on this Tacoma, and then give you guys my overall opinion about Koch Chemie's glass cleaner. Let's get to it. So another test I want to show you guys, we put decked out 1-to-1 on the exterior of the vehicle. So this is tire shine that's going to be on this window. I want to show you guys the cleaning capabilities, what Koch Chemie glass cleaner could do. So this one we're going to put a little bit more. So I would do 3 sprays. Now we're going to do our box in. And I'll come through with our finishing towel. And man, the great thing about this glass cleaner is you feel so slick. It's super slick. I feel like I have no problem moving my towel around. Rubbing alcohol or any other alcohol-based glass cleaners, what it's gonna do is when I have a little bit of friction fighting that window, and overall just wanted to show you guys the cleaning capabilities, what Koch Chemie Glass Cleaner could do. It's all about technique, so make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to be doing a lot of product demonstrations, how-to videos, and also product reviews on this channel to help you become a better detailer. Now let's get to the other window. So I know a lot of detailers are always struggling on the windshield. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of tips. So one tip you could follow when you're having a really foggy window is get DI water on the towel and rub it in there and let it dry so you can knock out all of the haze or anything that's on the surface on the glass. And when that's done, then you come through with the Koch Chemie Glass Cleaner. So what I like to do is work half of the window and then the other half on the window. So right now I'm gonna be spraying 3 sprays, and I come through and box it out first and then work in the middle. And then I flip my towel over. And one thing that likes to leave a lot of snail trails right here in the corner. So what I do, I kind of like move this towel repeatedly right here just to make sure it gets all that moisture. That's about it. And like I said, using this Koch Chemie Glass Cleaner, you're just gonna be gliding through the windshield. It's gonna be effortlessly for you. And overall, I do not see any streaks on the windshield. Using multiple cleaners out there in the detailing industry, they say streak free, and I stress a lot. It's all about technique, but also the product as well. So dilution ratios is key, but this one kind of helps you because it's ready to use, so you can't really mess up. So other products that are professional grade, this one as well, but that are heavy concentrated, some people don't know how to dilute it properly, or there's also weather condition as well. So say if we're fighting a lot of heat, you're gonna have to mess around with the dilution ratio as well. But this one's ready to use, so ideally they got this dialed in. So yeah, man, like I said, I really highly recommend this glass cleaner. Overall, great glass cleaner, smells great. Let's get to my opinion of what I think about it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna talk about my overall opinion about Koch Chemie's Glass Cleaner. So overall, the product is great. I would rate it an A on great level, but the only con about it, it's a little bit pricier. So I don't know if any detailer out there is going to buy the gallon. I've seen multiple detailers out there that have, but let me know if you guys will in the comments down below. But overall, like I said, it's slick, smells great, and just the brand buyer, they stand behind the product. So I would highly recommend it. But for someone that's not going to spend that kind of money, I would look into rubbing alcohol 91% for your detailing business. But also it does have cons. It smells a little bit strong, and it might cause a little bit of friction on the window. So this one is my go-to right now at the moment, just because it's really efficient. If you do buy the gallon, if you buy the 16, it's going to be more expensive. So so that's my overall opinion about this product right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it.